Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be showing you again the Amkov camera. So I'm going to be showing you the quality of this, what kind of quality, the resolution and the picture and stuff like that. So this little thing right here, this is the picture. So we're going to click menu, and this is a resolution. So the resolution has 1920 by 1080, and it has 56 by 42, 52 by 39, 4 by 3, 3264 by 2448, 259, 2592, 1944. I'm sorry. It has 2048 by 1536 and 1920 by 1080. So I use this one, 1920 by 1080. So I use that one for the pictures. Now the shooting has single. You can only take one picture. 2 seconds, 10 second, and continuous is just a bunch of pictures that's gonna take, and it says cancel. So I put one single. Now the mode set is so if you're planning to take a picture, like if you're in a sports event, you can also click the sport event or take a picture at night or a portrait, or even if you're in a landscape, backlight, if you're even at a party, you can click that one. You can click the beach if you're in the beach. High sensitivity is if you guys are like in high sensitivity, like there's a lot of sun and there's scan. So I have it audio because I really don't take pictures with this. The next one is beauty face. When you take a picture, there's like a little box. I have that on. So, and then we have the face detect. I have that on. We have the white balance. The white balance is if you're filming at daylight, you want to click the daylight. If it's nice and cloudy outside, you can click cloudy. If it's a tungsten, you click it. If it's like fluorescent, you click that one. I have it on daylight because I take pictures at daylight. And the exposure is I put it +1, but it has +1, +2, +3, and it has -3, -2, -1, 0. I put +1, so I do that. Now the ISO, I don't know what the ISO is for, but I put in audio or auto. You can try it 100 if you want. Now the quality of the picture are super fine, normal. That's all it has. I have mine fine. That's for pictures only. Now sharpness. Sharpness, you can do it nice, soft, normal, sharp. I have mine normal. Just take nice in pictures. Effect. This one is normal. B and W, sepia, red, green, blue, sunset, warm, cool, overexposure, IR, binary, vivid, undertone, dog eye, if you're taking a picture with your dog. It has all of this, Japan style, negative, whatever. I have mine in normal. I haven't tried those, but if you get it, try it. The other one is saturation. The saturation, I put in mine in the middle. You can do high, low, but put mine in the middle. And the anti-shake is when you're like taking pictures, you don't want to shake it. I have my that on. Let's see. Metering. Metering is when you take a picture, do you want it in the center or the whole multi or spot? I have mine in the center. So let's see what else. Imprint. You can imprint. I have mine off because I don't need it. Setup. This is a language and set and power save, and the beep if you want it to beep. Light. Focus. The format and all that good stuff it has here. And that's about it. So this is the menu for the photo. And the next video I'm going to do the video one. So this is a photo one. So this is what the camera, the Amkov camera has for photos. Next time I'm going to do the video one so you guys can check that out. I don't want this video to be extra long, so I'm just going to stop it here. This is a photo, and I hope you guys like this tutorial on, on the camera, and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and push that notification bell so you guys won't miss none of my videos. And yeah, so I hope you guys get this camera, Amkov, and until next time when I upload the video one. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
This ain't over.